Today, workshops specialized in agricultural vehicles must have the appropriate multi-brand electronic diagnostic instrumentation in order to intervene correctly during ordinary and extraordinary maintenance. TEXA, global leader in the automotive diagnostics industry with hundreds of thousands of customer workshops, was the first company to commit to the off-highway world, offering solutions that are both efficient and simple and providing today an extraordinary coverage of makes and models. Modern agricultural vehicles, featured by a significant number of control units, use sophisticated CAN bus communication systems. In case of a malfunction, the diagnosis must be carried out using a TEXA tool, connecting the Navigator TXTS interface through the tractor's dedicated socket. From the tool's main menu, select the make FENT, Vario 700, Tier 4, Interim. Using the TGS3 function, perform a complete scan of all the electronic systems in the vehicle. Through the dedicated page, it is possible to see if the error is in the active status or if it occurred previously in the stored status. Select the error that is detected in the Denoxtronic module, and using the specific link button, the wiring diagram with the faulty component highlighted is displayed directly. At this point, you can identify all the components electrically connected together through the connection information function. Locate the position of the component in the tractor through the device location window. View the specific datasheet with all the information needed to understand the operation and check its efficiency. As mentioned, the CAN bus is an advanced data transmission line that puts all the electronic devices installed in the tractor into communication. Inside the vehicle, there are different lines based on the function of the systems they connect. Transmission bus, comfort bus, hydraulic valve bus, bus for the connection of the implements. In this specific case, we will use the comfort bus and the hydraulic valve bus. Proceed replacing the coupler that was found as malfunctioning. Now the error can be cleared and it is possible to proceed with the rewriting of the ID code of the new component. Using the calibration procedure sheet in the diagnostic tool, carry out the preliminary requirements. All the couplers electrically connected to the wiring. Engine switched off. Access the adjustment through the IDC5 tool and in the chart. Select the value to program, locate the valve to parameterize, and manually move on it so that it can be recognized by the diagnostic tool. The vehicle is ready to return to work. Keep up the good work, and for further information, visit TEXA's website or contact an authorized retailer.